In this video we are going to find out the distance between any two given coordinates. For example, if this is my axis and let's label it 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then -1 -2 -3, and same on the negative axis, -1 -2 and -3. Let me label a few coordinates for you. For example, let's say I'm going to take this coordinate. Let me change the color for it. So this one, and let's say this one. Okay, so I'm going to label this point A, and this is I'm going to label this point B. So we are going to find out the direct distance between A and B. Okay, first I am going to write down the coordinates for it. If I can see, the coordinate for A is 2. If I can see on the x-axis this is 2, and on the y-axis I can see the value is 1. So I am going to write 2 comma 1. For B I am going to see the same way. If I see on the x-axis it is -1 -2, so -2, and in the y-axis it's 1 and 2, so -2 and -2. So these are the coordinates for A and B. So I'm going to write them here, 2 comma 1, and B is -2 comma -2. So to find the distance between these two coordinates, either we can call it distance, it is also known as to be length. We can find it. The formula is the same. So I am going to write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now first I am going to label these coordinates as x1 x2 x1 y1, and this is x2 and this is y2. So I am going to plug in the values. My x2 is -2 and x1 is also is 2, plus y2 is -2, then minus, and the y1 is 1 whole square. So now I am going to just solve it. So this is -4 square plus -3 square under root. This is 16 plus 9, which is under root 25, and this is under root 25 is 5. So the length between these two coordinates is 5.